Mushirithania George Odunga ahorete Minister Fred Matiang'i, inspekta wa borithi Joseph Boinett na murugamiriri wa uthami Gordon Kihalangwa faina kiuga ni makirukite watho na kunyana igoti. Mushirithania Odunga agikinyania itua riri thutha wa atatu acio kungathia gwikinyia igoti ni kiubeta uria marathitwo na igoti.
Each of the first, second and third respondents are hereby penalized to pay a fine of Kenya shillings 200,000 personally. The said sum will be deducted directly from their next month's salaries, and the Deputy Registrar of this court is directed to transmit the order of this court to their respective employers forthwith.
Faini Inooro kurigana na igoti kirengwo mushara-ini wao wa mweri ukite wa kana. Odunga nigia kiuga atatu aya kwa gwathikira igoti ni muhiano moru kuri anini ao.
To my mind, even if the citizens were to arrest them, they will still be placed at the disposal of their juniors. And if they can disobey and disregard the orders of this court with such impunity, I do not see how any of their juniors will execute the warrants against them or even hold them in custody if arrested by citizens.
Fred Matiang'i, Boinett na Kihalangwa maredekana gwikinyia igoti-ini thutha wao kungathia kurekereria muteti muthagathagia wa uregani Miguna uri ukoretwo hingiruke haru-ini kia JKA. Mawakiri atatu acio makiuga Miguna nerarigire kuneana maratathi make ma kuingira guku bururi-ini ta uria ri mutaratara wa kiwatho. Mawakiri a Miguna magitongorwo ni James Orengo makwendekithitie atatu acio matungio kioho kiaginyagia miaka 3 njera kumana na kwaga gwathikira igoti.
I think we better be specific so that it's not in doubt that they report to the committee prison by 2 o'clock tomorrow. And the officer in charge of committee prison be directed to receive them. And in there, I think they will find appropriate accommodation. They will not be put in a toilet.
Kogi na kuwa wakana rushine Miguna akihamurithio o ringi ni thirikari akierekerio mucini wa Dubai mbere ya kuhundurwo nginyagia Canada. Na thutha wa gukinya Dubai Miguna akierikana kurwara agitetia thirikari ya Kenya kumana na ndwari yake. Mawakiri ningi makiuga ni maramurithio ni mbutu ya maabitha GSU hindi iria maratwarite watho wa igoti uria urarutitwo ni mucirithania George Odunga giathana Miguna aroke igoti-ini. Thirikari ikoretwo kiuga muteti ucio ni akanire uraia wake wa Kenya no indi ni aregete gwathikira mitaratara ya ruhonge rwa uthami niguo etikirio kuingira guku bururi-ini. Ino ni thabari ya keri Miguna kwamurithio kuma guku bururi-ini. Riboti ya Inooro TV ritũra kuna macharia wa Gachuru.